Hi everyone. So we will going to discuss about some hackathon or uh, there is an hackathon in Irtusa. So here it's a national level coding competition. So basically this hackathon is very special because normally so many hackathons will going to happen, but it is a team. They will going to create a team and they will going to participate in the hackathon. But here it's a very good opportunity who are all going to pass in 2022, they can participate individually here. That is the biggest advantage over here. So here is 2022 who are all going to pass 2022, only 2022 I am talking about. The students who are going to pass in 2022, they can apply here. BTech MCA, so overall belongs to this particular group, they can able to apply only for few, okay. Like CSE branch, IT branch, those people can able to apply this. So here what they are saying very clearly, take your ability to next level by participating in the National Coding Competition Neural Hackathon Season 5 organized by Virtusa. So it is a national hackathon. You can participate here. And so if you are good at coding, so you can solve the problems and you can able to do the best in your career. So at least participate at least one hackathon in your career. Okay. So you have to go here, register here. So they have put some conditions here, I will tell you. So national level coding competition, neural hack season 5 by Virtusa Hackathon. So here they have mentioned something, you can able to go with this, but I will read out for you people. See what is that exactly the ideology behind this hackathon and all. So to finding the good person or to finding the talented person, so they will create a such kind of hackathons. So your next level of coding and the way of you will going to solve the problems. That is what excitement you will going to get it when you solve the problem. So which is very difficult one. So those things, and you'll get some prizes if you are going to win in this particular competition. Again, who are able to participate in this, you must fill the form following the criteria. So they have mentioned some criteria, so please be careful with this. You should be final year student from B or BTech MCA, 60% throughout starting 10th until degree. So from 10th to uh, bachelor degree, so you should have a 60%. Must be graduating in 2022. So now who are all going to pass in 2022, they can apply here. So and no earbacks, okay. These things are not allowed. Again, this is an individual team member event for stage 1 and 2, and hence all the candidates register themselves separately. See, that is what I told you. So it is not a teamwork, or it is not going to be a team. Is team will going to participate in this particular hackathon. So individually, we can able to join in this, and you can able to do the coding. And what are the things you need to know? So basically, you need to know about data structure, uh, as well as algorithms. So one language, any language. If you just don't win the gifts, you win career. So that's what exactly everyone knows that. So if you don't win, nothing will going to happen. But at least participate, then you will going to understand the standards of industry. So last date, it please apply before 25th August 2021. Maybe 4 days is there. Please apply. So you have to fill your email ID and your country and next. So just I will going to fill my email ID. Let me show you. Okay, so country is obviously India. So here you have to fill your name and contact number, again college name, again which degree you are taking, B. Okay, so like that, stream, ISC. See, basically that's what exactly I wanted to tell you people. Only this is for CSE people, CSE and ISC and IT people. So year of passing you have to mention. Again, arrears, if you have arrears, all those things you have to tell. Overall CGPA you have to tell. Again, university, again, college training and placements officer name, if you want it, you can able to provide. Basically, it is not required, first of all. Again, training and placements, all these things you submit and say yes, agree all the conditions which they mentioned, and say yes and submit it. So please participate in this hackathon. I request all the students to participate in this hackathon, especially 2022 passing students. Please participate. Thank you. Please share and subscribe. Thank you very much.